Creating a course is probably one of the best things you can do, especially for like passive income. It's a great way to show your expertise and highlight your expertise so that people know who you are. But guess what? A course is only one part. You can still take that and grow and expand in new and unique ways. And that's what I want to talk about today. So here's the reality. Courses are all the rage, right? The digital industry is booming right now. But let's be real. A lot of people don't love to learn through courses, or self-study can make them overwhelmed. And so there are a lot of different ways you can grow. And the one thing that you should always do is have a nice size catalog, meaning that people can come to you and work with you in different domains and have different dynamics in the way in which they engage and work with you. But in order to do that, you gotta build out your catalog. So the first step is to really test your audience. See what kind of things are they looking for. Maybe you're teaching on how to incorporate exercise on a busy schedule, or how to mindfully eat, or whatever your course is on. Start thinking about what is it that my audience is looking for. After you interview your audience, consider different ways that you can show up for them and meet them where they're at. So here's the cool thing. If you already have created a course, you have the content that you can pull from and expand on. So you could take that content and you can expand on it and do one-on-one. You could take that very content and, maybe make it a little smaller, or take one subject and create an entire ebook. You can take that content and break it up and spread it out and create a membership. There are literally options that are endless. So instead of boxing yourself in and feeling like the course is the only option or opportunity for you, or the only thing your audience wants, why not expand on that? Why not give yourself an opportunity to show your expertise in new and creative ways? If you're looking for the tools, the strategies, and the skills to be able to do that, or maybe you're stuck with an idea and kind of need to map it out, then you're in luck, my friend. If you use the link below, you can sign up for a totally free strategy call with me, where you and I can hop on the phone. We can talk about your expertise, we can talk about your ideas, and more importantly, we can talk about how we can lock arms and that I can support you really take this course idea and then build out a catalog so that you stand out as a new and unique and expert person and an authority in your particular market. The reality is the work doesn't need to be difficult. It doesn't need to be hard. It doesn't need to be overwhelming. Dare I say, it actually can be quite fun. So if you're ready to dive in and get started and see how many new opportunities you can create in addition to your course, use the link below so that you can sign up, jump on a call with me, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you super soon.